What happens when a beginner experiments with 160 watercolors? Join me as I try out the brushes, the colors, the paints, whole 9 yards of this on-the-go watercolor kit. Decided to start with the included paintbrush, and it comes with this guide where you can actually try each of the individual colors on the paper to see what they'll look like. Violet's super easy to use. The pigmentation was strong. I was able to control the paintbrush inside this tiny grid square. It wasn't bleeding on me. So my first impression of the paint and the colors, it's quite beautiful. After success with the violet and turquoise, I moved to the water pen. You simply put water inside of the handle, screw it on, and then the water comes through the actual brush part onto the paper. If you look closely, you can see that air bubble in there, and I'm starting to feel a little bit of the water squeezing it through. Let's see if I can show you it coming through. There, you can kind of see the water comes through the pen, so you don't have to keep dipping a brush back into the water because the water actually distributes through the handle as you're holding it. So let's give this kind of lemony yellow a try and see what we think. It loaded the brush quite well. Actually, it seems like it's holding more of the color than the traditional brush, so that's kind of interesting. And again, it's easy to control. I like the tip on this. I have a lot of just flexibility and it's giving a lot of pigmentation. Love that it's designed for on the go, and let's see if we can clean this brush. So it did hold a little bit more pigmentation than the traditional brush, but they seem to be cleaning off just fine. So I do appreciate that as well. I did purchase the 160 color kit, but it does come with lesser variety if you don't want that many. It's this great travel tin, nice and sturdy, kind of metallic, and opens with these clasps. It keeps everything enclosed in the kit. The colors seem like they're all, maybe this one, oh no, it's staying. They're all kind of maybe glued in there or attached well, so they're not coming loose at all. The color's super vibrant. It does come with this 10 pack of paper, kind of an odd shape, but I guess it's designed to fit in the case. And I guess that's convenient and nice. Here are 2 plastic guards that you can put over either side of the paint that'll protect it from each other. Here is that template that I was using earlier and trying out all the colors, and the second piece of plastic template. And here you can see all of the colors. Love the neon options. They are stunning. The metallic blues are really pretty. First impressions, 160 colors. I feel like I could never run out of inspiration and creativity and offerings and range. I do like the portability of the box. I feel like I could take it anywhere and sketch and then paint. I think the metallics and the neons are fun. I just feel like for me personally, I love the flexibility. I could see how it might be overwhelming to have this many colors. So if you think it would be, maybe get a smaller kit. But I think it's perfect for anyone wanting to expand their artistic horizons and love the color selection. It's definitely worth considering for your next project.